Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take L-Citrulline Malate. This powerful supplement is widely used to enhance athletic performance and support cardiovascular health. It works by converting into L-Arginine in your kidneys, which then boosts nitric oxide levels. Increased nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, leading to better circulation and nutrient delivery to your muscles during workouts. Understanding the basics is key to maximizing its benefits. Finding the right dosage and timing is crucial for effectiveness. For most people, a dose of 6 to 8 grams of L-Citrulline Malate is recommended to see performance benefits. It's best to consume this about 30 to 60 minutes before your workout session. This allows enough time for the supplement to be absorbed and start working in your system. Always start with a lower dose to assess your tolerance and adjust as needed. Mixing L-Citrulline Malate is straightforward. Simply add your measured dose of powder to 8 to 12 ounces of water, juice, or your preferred beverage. Stir it well until the powder is fully dissolved, ensuring no clumps remain. The taste can be tart, so mixing it with juice or a flavored drink can make it more palatable. Drink the mixture relatively quickly to ensure optimal absorption before your training. Beyond performance, L-Citrulline Malate offers several benefits. It can significantly enhance your exercise endurance, allowing you to push harder and longer during workouts. Additionally, many users report reduced muscle soreness post-exercise, aiding in quicker recovery. The improved blood flow also means better nutrient delivery to your muscles, supporting growth and repair. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.